Okay, it's May 8th, and this is you're here with Chico on this buying and selling stock series. And what I want to talk about a little more is about Carvana. And Carvana, we bought into it before earnings yesterday, and then after earnings, the stock has risen up 10% today. And so, first of all, what did they announce? They announced like a record quarter. Like they really blew out the expectations of the analysts. And so here you can see earnings per share was 151 versus 67 cents. But what's more impressive is their revenue, 4.23 billion versus the 3.98 billion as they were expected. And Carvana is a company that is navigating through all these uncertainties through the tariffs, and maybe the tariffs have helped them boosted their sales in the past quarter. It's not clear on that. And also moving forward, I think like I mentioned, even if the tariffs impact the economy, people still need cars. It might be a little bit softer on the market, but used cars are very appealing, and there's going to be a lot of growth because new cars, I don't think all the tariffs are going to go away, and so new cars are going to be more expensive and pricing out some people, pricing them out of their comfort zone. And so there's the earning transcript which you can check out. It's posted. They did mention some ambitious goals about a 5 to 10 year plan where they're going to have sell like 3 million units. So okay, that's really far out. Let's focus on what they've done and where they're going, like in the shorter term. Here you can get this supplemental tables from their website, and you can see in the latest quarter they sold the number of the number of vehicles sold is just trending up. And this is Q4 here, and this is the latest Q1. And look at this, retail is 133K versus 114K, and wholesale vehicles sold is 63K versus 48K. So it's pretty impressive, like the way they're trending. And then GPU is gross profits per unit is all the way up at in the latest quarter 6,938, which they've been driving this up quite a bit, and so I'm surprised that they're able to squeeze even much more out of it. You can take a look here in this table how the retail GPU and wholesale GPU price trends, and it's been a nice path upwards. There's some dips too, or some flattish areas, but still it is trending on the upside for the total GPU here. For the most part. Oh, okay, yeah. So Q2, Q3 here was a little bit higher, and they're kind of close to their record areas. Anyways, yeah, that's all I want to talk about. And so yeah, things are really good for Carvana, I think. And we can look at our portfolio. So we bought before the earnings announcement at 260, and today it's now. Right now, I think it's 285. Yeah, 285. So that's a good win for us. And for those who tuning in, this is our portfolio that we're doing on this video series. We started with 100K back in March 12th, and with the latest surges, we're all the way up almost as we speak, almost 110K. So almost a 10% improvement. So I think that's pretty good. But these things, in this portfolio can change very rapidly. But I'm pleased that we're in the positive side and we're significantly up. Anyways, yeah, I just want to recap on the earnings from Carvana. I'm very optimistic about the stock. They've done well over the past couple years, or almost couple years. They've been really growing well and sustaining profitability. So I'm impressed with their execution and continue to do so. And it's one of those stocks that maybe you would like to look at and consider. All right, that's it for today. I'll catch you next episode. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.